Introducing the all-new Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin. Let's face it, a lot of men don't even want to talk about periods. But in reality, it's good to know what the women in your life are going through at that time of the month. It could be your mom, your wife, your girlfriend, or even your daughter. So, here's Mr. V, and he's here to share with you his know-hows on the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin. You're now looking at the sleek and stylish Angel Moon Demo Kit box. Many sanitary napkins in the market come in plastic packaging that leave them exposed once the package is open. But the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin has it all figured out. It comes with a patented, innovative design that uses high-quality aluminum foil as packaging material, expertly designed to make it easier for you to open and reseal the package, preventing bacterial growth while keeping your sanitary napkins exclusively new and clean. On top of that, an individual pack of the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin is sealed with aluminum foil to maintain continuous hygiene and prevent secondary contamination. A convenient fit into your purse for quick and easy handling. The surface layers of many sanitary napkins on the market cause discomfort, skin rash, and irritation. The new Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin's innovative surface layer is made from premium and extra soft materials that give a soft cloud feel and absorbs instantly for a comfortable experience. A major plus point is, this unique surface layer was hypoallergenic tested and is skin-friendly, making it suitable for everyone, even users with sensitive skin. Using the syringe from the Angel Moon Demo Kit box, inject 50 milliliters of colored water onto the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin, as well as Brand X. Use a piece of tissue paper and press the surface of each sanitary napkin with your hand. Observe the dampness of the tissue paper. The tissue paper on Brand X is found to be wet, while the tissue paper on the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin remains dry. This shows that the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin is enhanced with liquid or water locking ability, thanks to its super absorbent core from Japan. This technology restricts any backflow or leakage to provide comfortable and discreet protection for users. On the same piece of napkin, Brand X and Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin, place the absorbent factor into a cup containing 100 milliliters of colored water to show how quickly the water is being absorbed. You will find within 20 seconds, the colored water has been fully absorbed by the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin. This demonstrates the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin's impressive water locking ability. Ultimately, this dry atmosphere reduces the growth and risk of harmful bacteria. Next, disassemble the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin. Note that the second layer comes with a triple protection functional core, which is composed of functional elements such as negative ions, nanosilver, magnetism, and FAR infrared, as an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent during the menstrual period, further maximizing health benefits for women. Now, gently remove the negative ion core of the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin, as well as Brand X, and have them burnt up completely. You will find that the negative ion core of Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin is completely burnt down to ash. This demonstrates that the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin uses plant fiber source for its negative ion core layer that is natural, safe, and kind to a woman's body. Fill 2 glasses with hot water. Then cover these 2 glasses with both sanitary napkins, Brand X and Angel Moon. Wipe 2 other transparent glasses until dry, and then place them upside down on top of each sanitary napkin that is covering the glasses of hot water. After 2 minutes, you will clearly see that the transparent glass above the Brand X has no condensation, while the glass above the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin contains condensation. This shows that the Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin provides a breathable yet waterproof basal membrane, which reduces heat discomfort during menstrual days by having better air ventilation. So, my dear ladies, there you have it. The exclusive features of the all-new Angel Moon Sanitary Napkin. Your intimate hygiene and feminine care.